In this video, we are going to discuss hidden lines and surfaces. In general, object space contains opaque objects and surfaces. So those which are closer to the viewport along the line of sight of other objects will block those objects from viewing. So that means it is telling that those objects which will be closer to the viewport along the line of sight of the other objects will block those objects, and those objects will not be viewable and will remain hidden because those objects will obstruct them from getting viewed. During the transformation from object space to image space, the blocked or hidden surfaces must be detected and removed from the display in order to render a realistic screen image. This 3D to 2D mapping is called viewing transformation. So this is our hidden surfaces are getting displayed. So from here, when you will be going for the elimination of the hidden surfaces, so that is our hidden surface will be removed and this particular diagram will be obtained. So here it is very important point, that is during the transformation from object space to the image space. So this is our object space, from the image space we are doing the transformation. The blocked or hidden surfaces must be detected and removed from the display in order to render a realistic screen image, and this 3D to 2D mapping is called viewing transformations. This problem of hidden surface removal or equivalently visible surface determination is solved by applying a host of standard algorithms. These algorithms are broadly classified into two groups, and they are namely as image space algorithms and another one is the object space algorithms. Now, what are the basic difference between them? In case of image space algorithms, which determines object point closest to the viewer for generating each pixel in an image. So, for example, we can go for Z buffer algorithm, floating horizon method and the scanline algorithm. Here each and every pixel will be considered, and those pixels will be considered which are closest to the viewer. In case of object space algorithms, that which determines faces of the object visible, that is unobstructed by other faces or objects. So which faces are visible, which are not obstructed by the other objects or the faces, so they will be considered. So with respect to the viewport for each object in the scene, for example, we can go for back face removal algorithm or BSP tree respective method. So here we see where we are having multiple different types of algorithms. So in this chapter we will be discussing all of them, and we shall go for the further study on these algorithms. Theoretically, object space algorithms require less computational work than image space algorithms, as the number of objects in the scene is far less than the number of pixels in an image. But in practice, the image space algorithms are found more efficient and taking advantage of coherence in the rasterization. So that's why you can easily find that these image space algorithms are computationally very heavy, because here we are considering each and every pixel, but on the other hand, in case of object space algorithms, here the computationally they are little bit lighter, but we are getting good efficiency from these image space algorithms. So in this particular video, we have discussed what are the hidden lines and surfaces, and we shall be discussing more on this very topic in the next videos. Thanks for watching this video.